Griffin, what are you doing? Griffin.
You can put...
What are you doing? Oh dear. Griffin. Busted. Busted.
You're erupting it.
Griffin. This is going to be a no-no, okay, bud? Mm-hmm.
He's gonna
Oh, dear, what a mess. Nolan, are you going to clean it up for me?
No. I'll go get my...
Griffin! Griffin! Okay, time to clean up.